Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome back. So I know you haven't seen any crafting videos this week and I apologize for that, but I'm going to be back next week with cards, I promise. So this is my last video for this week and I'm going to show you a quick little birthday haul. Now I turned 40 on April 29th. Unfortunately, I had been in the hospital, then I developed vertigo and I haven't been making videos since then. So that's why you guys have kind of seen me catching up this week. But I wanted to share with you a quick little birthday haul. It's not much, but I had a friend send me something and then I purchased my own things. So Sandy, thank you very much, sent me the Lawn Fawn stitched rectangle stackables. This is the small one. And then she sent me a Kaiser Craft Misty Mountains, and she sent me the paper pack that goes with this. And I think Rob accidentally threw it away. Which, it makes me so sad. So I may have to put it on my list and pick it up because it's so beautiful and I was so thankful. But I think I had left it in the package and somehow it got knocked on the floor and I think he just came in here and picked it up and accidentally threw it away because I've looked everywhere. I can't find it. So Sandy, thank you so much for thinking of me and being such a special friend. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to replace that paper and make some cards just for you. So thank you very much. So the next thing I picked up was new planner stuff. I need a new planner, like I need a hole in the head. And unfortunately, I haven't been working in my planner. So I hope to get back to that next week. Just, you know, it's been hard because I like to plan out my week, even though, you know, I stay at home and I don't go outside the home a whole lot. It still helps me to make lists and know who I need to call and when I've called and those kinds of things. So I picked up a new planner. I absolutely love this print. This is the Carpe Diem. This is the Mint Blossom planner. It's not a kit. You can only buy the planner. I think I got this off Amazon. I can't remember. I'll try to link it down below. But I just thought it was really, really pretty. I love Carpe Diem planners because they're a bit larger than your normal A5 planner. This is an A5 planner. They're a bit wider. And since I like to use plum paper, which is an 8.5 or 7x9 planner, I like it so it hangs over. However, Plum Paper has come out with A5 inserts, or an A5 planner that you can get unpunched and make them A5 inserts that I'm keeping my eye on. They haven't released like just a plain vertical yet, so I'm keeping my eye out for that. But yeah, so I picked up this planner and then I wanted to go ahead and try the Carpe Diem weekly inserts. These are just a bit more narrow than an Erin Condren, but I find that I don't need a whole bunch of space. So I really wanted to try the weekly inserts. So this is 72 weekly inserts, so it's 60 weeks. And again, you can see a picture of it here where it's Monday through Sunday. They're undated, so you can add your own date dots. There's a list for like notes and there's things at the bottom. So I'm really excited to try these. And then I picked up the monthly inserts. Look how pretty these are. I'm so excited. So this planner will most definitely be set up with this paper and these inserts, and I may or may not add additional dividers. I haven't decided, but I think it's Blossom. Simple Stories has a paper line that coordinates with this, and it's really, really pretty. So yeah, I'm really excited to get back into planning. So what do you do when you turn 40 and you want to play in your planner? You buy unicorns and stuff. So this is the odds and ends from the fairy tale collection from Doodlebug. I actually bought this to do in May for my planner. So cute. I love the unicorns. I love the little, it's a birthday set basically. So I thought it was just really, really cute and I was excited to make dividers. So if you haven't watched any of my divider videos, I like to use, if I'm not doing them digitally, I like to use die cuts and stickers and stuff. So I purchased, I think 2 of each of these papers, maybe 3 of a couple of them, because I wanted to be able to use both sides. And unfortunately, when you're making A5 dividers, it's about 7 inches across that you need to make it before you do the actual divider. The actual tab, that's what I'm trying to think. So unfortunately you can't get 2 out of 1 piece of paper. This is 12 by 12. So I bought 2 of each. Again, I didn't buy a whole bunch, but I bought enough to do a couple of months. I love these rainbow hearts, so pretty. I really love this paper. I thought this would be really cute on the front, or I also really love these castles. So I thought this would be kind of, you know, cut it down, and so this can be the front divider on my planner. I love this one. I love these cards. Again, cut these down and they can go on the top of a divider. Yes, I know I'm 40. Yes, I know. Yes, I know I'm old, but I can't help it. And I loved these borders, again, for the same reason, to just decorate a divider. And all of this came from scrapbook.com. They had Doodlebug on sale when I purchased. So, love this rainbow stripe. It's so pretty. I love this one. Again, with all the cards, so cute. I didn't buy an actual pack of paper because I wanted multiples of each sheet. So that's why you see me, you know, with 2 or 3 of each sheet, because I wanted multiple. So like, I want to use the stars, but I also want to use, maybe use the rainbows. So that is what I got from scrapbook.com. And then Doodlebug I love Doodlebug. If you've not been with me for very long, you may not know this, but almost always I use Doodlebug or Echo Park as the dividers in my planner. I did want to use that Misty Mountain because it has rose gold in it to go in my Prima planner. So I'm definitely going to have to pick it back up. But I bought this Sweet Summer stuff from A Cherry on Top just because the scrapbook.com was out of a lot of it and I wanted it. So I'm going to do this probably for maybe July. I do have a 4th of July kit that I may use for July 4th. I don't know. But you can see all the odds and ends in the back. So cute. I love Doodlebug. I love it. So this is Sweet Summer. And again, I bought a couple of each pattern. Love this one with all the different ice creams. And again, oh, this plaid. This plaid. I love it. I got 3 of these so I could use the plaid and then I could use the strips. So I love, you guys know me, I love plaid. I love houndstooth. I love argyle. I'm a pattern kind of girl. Fun polka dots. And I know the lights aren't doing it justice. I'm working on lighting. Hopefully by next week I'll have it where I want it. So suns, and then this cute little chevron, and then some drinks with the yellow stripe on the back. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. And like I said, I'm sorry that it's been not much crafting this week, but I am so far behind. I wanted to make sure that I show, you know, kind of caught up with everything that had been going on and what I wanted to share, etc. So yeah, and I also may be using other things besides Stampin' Up! Going forward. I haven't quite decided. But yeah, that's it guys. So thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. Like I said, I hope to have some crafting, oh no, I don't hope to. I will have some crafting videos for you next week. We're gonna dive into some of this new product. And yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to leave me a comment letting me know what you thought of this little bitty haul and how things are going. And I will see you maybe Sunday, probably Monday or Tuesday of next week. So yeah, thanks guys. Bye for now.